Hello, welcome to the BlueCoat Videocast demo series. Today we're going to discuss the SSL Visibility Appliance. Driven by web, mobile, and cloud applications, 25 to 35% of enterprise network traffic is encrypted with Secure Sockets Layer, or SSL, and growing 20% annually. While SSL provides data privacy and secure communications, it creates blind spots in networks and introduces significant risks for businesses. Advanced Persistent Threats, or APTs, and malware are increasingly using SSL to evade detection. According to Gartner research, 50% of all network attacks will hide in SSL by 2017. Unfortunately, current security tools are blind to SSL or suffer from poor performance and operational complexity. Independent testing indicates that turning on SSL within today's next-generation firewalls results in up to 80% device performance degradation, making these systems ineffective and potentially very expensive, as additional hardware has to be purchased. A new approach is needed, one that eliminates the security blind spot created by encrypted traffic and combats the threats hidden within SSL traffic while preserving privacy, policy, and regulatory compliance. BlueCoat's encrypted traffic management solutions allow organizations to reduce their risk with a cost-effective approach to managing the SSL encrypted traffic in their networks, while exposing advanced malware that can inflict damage or steal data. BlueCoat's SSL Visibility Appliance is a purpose-built appliance that inspects encrypted traffic. That feeds existing security tools like intrusion prevention systems, security analytics, next-gen firewalls, and data loss prevention systems with decrypted traffic for further processing and analysis. This unique decrypt once, feed many approach provides critical visibility while eliminating costly capacity upgrades across multiple security devices. Powerful policies also allow you to bypass specific types of traffic to maintain employee data privacy. Let's review the major components of the SSL Visibility Appliance. Looking at the main dashboard interface of the appliance shows the overall status, health, and connectivity of the system. At the top of the dashboard is an iconographic representation of the appliance with color-coded interfaces. In this case, the green ports are active. In the middle of the screen is a short summary of the device's network interfaces and their activity. At the bottom of the screen is an abbreviated display of the hardware's well-being and performance. We see that our appliance has 5 active interfaces or ports on a single segment. We have traffic coming into the appliance, going through an active device, in this case an IPS, and then exiting the appliance. While one segment is illustrated here, note that the appliance can support multiple segments and attached devices concurrently. The 5th port on this segment is designated a copy port to share decrypted data with passive devices, like security analytics or forensic system. We can see what traffic is running through the device via session logs. Each entry corresponds to an encrypted session and includes multiple details, such as IP source and destination, port number, cipher suite used, and whether a policy has been applied to the session and if the session was decrypted. The SSL Visibility Appliance can decrypt all types of SSL traffic, regardless of TCP port, from HTTPS to SMTPS, POP3S, and more. This is essential, as data exfiltration typically occurs using non-standard ports. Note that one HTTPS session may actually spawn multiple HTTPS connections. For example, Facebook communication initiates multiple SSL encrypted sessions. It is often as important to exclude traffic from decryption for privacy mandates. A policy was set to not decrypt financial and healthcare traffic for this reason, and you can see sites classified as containing personal financial information have been excluded from decryption. Traffic going through the appliance is governed by rule sets. Each segment can have one rule set active, and in this case, we have a first rule applied to this segment. This allows security administrators to easily define and set policies to meet organizational needs. In this case, we have set up a policy based on a host categorization list that includes healthcare and financial services categories. This list will exclude traffic to and from healthcare and financial services websites from being decrypted for reasons of employee privacy. Policies excluding healthcare and financials traffic were used in the SSL session logs shown earlier. You can see that there are a lot of categories to choose from, enabling simple and effective policies based on traffic types. Policies can also be based on other parameters, such as IP addresses, port numbers, CA status, quality of service, and more. The BlueCoat SSL Visibility Appliance supports the broadest set of PKI cipher suites and standards, including the increasingly used Camellia and Cha-Cha-20 ciphers. Unlike competitive solutions, the SSL Visibility Appliance can also re-sign many certificates, allowing organizations to inspect outbound SSL connections to remote sites that do not release their certificates. It's easy to see how the SSL Visibility Appliance is an essential tool that enhances existing security infrastructures. In summary, BlueCoat's encrypted traffic management solutions provide the most cost-effective way to eliminate the encrypted traffic blind spot caused by SSL in today's enterprise networks. The SSL Visibility Appliance provides high performance and scalability and comprehensive policy enforcement that enhances multiple security solutions, strengthening an enterprise's security posture and improving return on investment for the existing infrastructure. Thanks for watching the BlueCoat Videocast demo series, and we'll see you on the next video.